Bonjour tout le monde. First of all, really sorry for the late video. I know it's been a long time that I haven't created any videos. Really sorry for that because I was super busy. And then now I've got a great ideas and then now I'm available. So I've created a couple of videos for you guys, which are going to be very useful for you. So from today, we are going to introduce our new playlist for French words for everyday life. So this is the first video of that playlist. So I believe that playlist is going to be very useful for you because whenever you go to any country where you find the francophonie like the people who speak in French, so at that point of time these words are very useful for you. So hit like and subscribe to my channel, so you will get all the notification whenever I'm going to upload the videos for this. So, Alonzi, today, as I've informed you, we are going to learn 10 French words for everyday life. Nous allons apprendre 10 mots français, oui, la vie de tous les jours. So, Alonzi, the first word is bonjour. Bonjour means hello. Like, bonjour, bonjour, ça va? Bonjour, like that. The another word is bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening. Bonsoir. The another word is bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. Have a nice afternoon. The another word is bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Good night. The another word is enchanté de vous rencontrer. Actually, it's not a word, it's a phrase, but I was really confused whether I need to mention this phrase in the words videos. But it seems like this is also very important because whenever you meet someone informally or whenever you meet someone first time, at that point of time, you should use this word. So, enchanté de vous rencontrer means nice to meet you. The another word is como vas-tu? Como wa chu. It's also not a word, it's a phrase. So como wa chu means how are you? Like bonjour, como wa chu, or comment allez-vous? So it means how are you doing or how are you? The another word is oui. Oui. Yes. Yes. And the opposite is no. No. The another word is merci. Merci means thank you. You can also use it merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup means thank you so much. And the last word is au revoir. Au revoir means goodbye. So if you like this video, hit like and subscribe to my channel, and I will make sure to upload the another videos in this playlist as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye.